Friends, if you have inserted a USB external hard drive or a pen drive in your computer which is not displayed here in my computer or this PC, then follow the steps on how to get it displayed. Right click on my computer icon or this PC in my case and click on manage. This will open up a computer management screen. Expand that and navigate to disk management under the storage. Look for your external hard drive or a pen drive. In my case, I see the Toshiba external hard drive here. Right click on it and click on change drive letter and paths. Here I see I don't have any drive letter assigned. Click on add and by default it is selected to F which is available, or I can change it to different as well which are available for me. So I will leave it as a default. Click on OK. Okay, now drive letter has been assigned. Now again go back to the my computer and you will be able to see the Toshiba external hard drive here. If you want to remove this hard drive from my computer or this PC, then reverse the process. Right click on it, change drive letter and path and click on remove. Yes, okay. Now this will remove the hard drive from my computer. Please support the school.online channel with super thanks and by smashing the like and subscribe button. Thank you.